Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech Helpline. This is where we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. In today's video, we will be showing you how to block someone on Snapchat. In order to block someone on your friend list, first go into the Snapchat application. Log in if necessary using your username or your email address and your password. Once you are inside the application, click on your account icon at the top left corner. Now from your account menu, go to My Friends. You will be shown the list of friends in your friend list. To block someone within your friend list, just long press on their account and then press on More. From there you will see the block button. Press on Block and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. Click on Block again and the user will be blocked. Go to your Settings menu and scroll all the way down to find the Blocked section. Click on it and you will see the blocked user within this list. So that's it for today's video. If you like our content, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to receive more useful videos in the future. Thank you for watching.